Okay, in number 19, we are looking at a graph of length and mass of, what are we looking at? Alligator snapping turtle eggs. The graph shows the mass of an egg as a function of its length in millimeters. Describe, so as the lengths of the eggs increase, so as the length gets bigger and bigger and bigger, as I work my way right on the graph, what happens to the mass of the eggs? Well, the mass is going up and up and up as well. So the description, what happens to the masses of the eggs? The masses increase. Kind of makes sense. The longer the egg, you might think the more it's going to weigh. Estimate, is 27.5 grams a reasonable estimate for the mass of an egg that's 38 millimeters long? Let's look on our graph. Here's 32, 4, 36, 38. You know, we'd expect it to be somewhere in this neighborhood. Now 38, we'd expect it to be, I'm going to put a red dot where we think it should be, somewhere in this neighborhood, if it follows the linear trend. But a 38, or 27.5, let's see, is that reasonable? If we work over, notice they're going by 5s on this scale. So here's 25. 27.5 would be right about here. If I work my way over, yeah, that seems to be at a pretty reasonable spot on the graph. So yeah, I'd say it's a reasonable estimate for the mass of an egg, because according to the data, it looks like 38 millimeters long should be somewhere between 25 and 30, and 27.5 lands perfectly in the middle.